The first task we're going to do today is opening the front door.
One will get the door for you.
Toyota is a car company, but we also focus on research and development.
I pushed it.
This is just the first step where we're looking at taking robots and making a difference across a bigger population.
I got it. I am looking for Romy.
When the Romy project came, it was really great to have a solid task for us to sink our teeth in. We can see the person that we're helping, and we can actually do a specific task in order to help him.
Today's a big day. We are super excited.
I'm a high-level quadriplegic. I have that never quit attitude. My dad told me if I quit once, I'd make it a habit, so I've never quit.
Here in North America,
this might be the first time we've actually taken HSR and actually done something with real people. That's awesome.
I pushed it.
Opening the door, grabbing the water bottle, those are the most important tasks that I do throughout the day, and the robot will do it for me. This is a big game changer for everybody. You don't have to quit anything. You can just keep going no matter what.